your girl twalacole, aka Sister Cole, and how's my fam doing? I hope that you had a beautiful, wonderful, prosperous day today. You know, over here, you know what we like to do. We like to do product reviews, lookbook hauls, cook, clean. I mean, I do so much. It's kind of hard to remember what it is that I do. But baby, we life over here. So if this is something that you would like to view, boom, right there. Let's get into this video, honey.
I know it's not who you might expect it to be, but it's your girl Beans, and today we'll be talking about the restaurant Breuklyn. The restaurant was phenomenal, aesthetically pleasing. The food was above par, so it was not mid. I would rate the food about, but I had the snappers, so I would rate it on an average of 8 out of 10. The drinks I would rate for 8 out of 10, but aesthetically pleasing I would rate 10 out of 10. The place was phenomenal, great to look at, and phenomenal music. Come check it out. Okay. What does it taste like?
Very fruity, nice and cold.
Is it strong?
No, not really. Depends on what strong is to you. All right, so Christina, what are you about to do?
So guys, since my mom is not the drinker, I will be taste testing the rest of the drink for us. So I'm about to try the mango one. I don't really know the names. She's gonna insert the names below. I already tasted this one though, guys. So I'm gonna pretend like I didn't. So this one is, I'll rate this one a 7 out of 10. It's
Why 7 out of 10?
So it's kind of strong, but it's sweet. So I like the sweetness. It doesn't mess with how strong it is. It flows very well together.
So 1 out of 10?
Huh?
So 1 out of 10?
I don't think it's gonna get me messed up, but it's something that's gonna keep me cute.
Oh, okay.
For sure. So yeah, this was, what I said, 7?
Yeah.
Yeah, 7. 7.5.
Okay. Right. And the plot thickens from 7 to 7.5. Okay.
All right, which one should I try next? Let's try this one. I think it's like a raspberry one.
I like that one.
All right, so let me try the strawberry one though, because I like strawberries, my favorite. All right, let's see.
That one looks nice.
It's fire.
So it's a chilled drink.
Alright, I take it back. These drinks are actually strong. You can actually taste, but it's not overly strong. Like you could taste the fruit mixed within it. So this one, it gives strawberry daiquiri. I'll rate this one at 8. And then the cups are so cute. So also aesthetic plays a big part for me. So these cups are so cute. So
what are they, skull heads?
Yeah, they're skull heads. And then they plate them very nice. I'm not plate them, but they make them very nice. So honestly, I'll rate this one a 8. It looks really nice, like the strawberry add-on. This one is a 7.5.
Yeah, and that one has like a pineapple, right?
Yes. Yeah, so it's pineapple, not mango.
Right. And then that
one
one,
this one
was berries.
Yeah, what did you rate this one?
It tastes very nice and sweet.
So what do you rate it?
I would rate it a 10. Honestly, 10? Yeah.
Yeah, maybe I'm a hard rater. All right, thank you guys for coming to my taste test, and I'll let you know about this one in a minute.
Alright, you guys, the food was delicious. This mac and oxtail, it tastes so good. I mean, it's so enjoyable, so cheesy, very flavorful. It is definitely a 10 out of 10. I'll definitely come back and have this again for sure.